Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Challenger vs BMW M4, which is better. Watch closely as I break down performance, comfort, cost, and daily usability to help you decide which car fits your life. I will highlight acceleration, cornering, interior comfort, tech, and typical expenses so you get a clear picture. Stay tuned for a balanced look at real strengths and trade-offs to make a confident choice. Let's explore performance and handling in practical terms to help you picture each car on road. The Challenger offers thunderous acceleration and a relaxed, heavy feel that thrills in straight lines, while the BMW M4 rewards aggressive driving with precise feedback and nimble cornering. I'll compare horsepower, torque feel, transmission behavior, and how each performs on spirited drives and daily commutes to show their real-world strengths. Quick break: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for road trips and garage days. It keeps you hydrated between test drives and adds a little flair to car photos. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like it. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll look at comfort and what ownership actually feels like over months and years. The Challenger favors a cushioned ride, roomy seating, and classic muscle cues, while the BMW M4 prioritizes driver ergonomics, tech features, and a firmer, more athletic suspension. I'll cover practicality, cargo space, fuel expectations, typical maintenance needs, and how each car fits different lifestyles so you can match priorities to your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.